Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video. In the previous video, you already checked our application video for two parts for SRH University for information technology. So after this requirement analysis video, I'll also show you how to apply for the, SRH University again for different course. But yeah, before that, I thought in between I will put one requirement analysis so that it won't become boring, because I will be doing or showing the same application procedure but for the different course. And in the previous requirement analysis, we already did the requirement analysis for Melbourne University. That was the requirement analysis number 100, and today we will be doing our requirement analysis number 101 for the college Technical University of Nuremberg for the course Intelligent and Autonomous System. So this is a new course which is starting from summer semester. So this will be very new, and this is you people who will join, that those will be the first batch, I guess, for English, I guess. But yeah, we will just get to know. But it is also newly added in Dad with less information. Before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you don't know anything about this channel. In this channel, we teach people how to apply for German university. After that, where to look for the German courses, what are the courses that you can apply for, and what are the requirements, what are the documents that you need to know, and when is the deadline, and where to apply. These many things we will cover in requirement analysis. After getting to know where to apply, when to apply, then we will also add that in our Excel sheet. Then once the application deadline is inside, then we will also go and apply for that particular course. When we are applying, we also make videos and show people how to apply for that particular course. So this is what we usually do in our channel. And yeah, we have already done 100 colleges for requirement analysis, and so many countless application video also. Then without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told, it will be requirement analysis for intelligent and autonomous system in Technical Hochschule and Nuremberg, and this will be episode number 101. And whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and funding, requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see Master of Engineering it is, and the course location is in Nuremberg, and teaching language is English. English is the language of instruction. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible, and program duration is 3 semester because it is M Engineering, and it is beginning in summer semester. Okay, when in summer semester it is beginning, when is the application deadline? So usually the application deadline is 15th January for the following summer semester, which starts on 15th March. So 15th January is the ending of that application, but usually if it is ending in 15th January, they usually open 2 months before. Say example, 1st November or 15th November is the general application starting date. Then it gonna start in 15th March, where usually most of the technical university starts on April 1st, and some of the Hochschules or Master of Engineering, some of the Hochschules or some of the technical university starts on 15th March also. Then tuition fees is varied. So usually for non-EU applicants, there is a tuition fees. So you can also check the tuition fees charge for non-EU applicants in this page. So you can check here. I think it would be around 500 euros. Yes, the tuition fees are 500 euros per semester for student enrolling for winter semester 2025-2026 or winter semester 2024-2025, people who are enrolled in one of the following degree program. So yeah, if it is varied than 500, then they will also let you know once you get an admission. Then combined degree program is not possible. Joint degree program is also not possible. And description and content of the degree, you can just go through here. The program impairs the relevant knowledge of necessary of development of intelligent autonomous systems. A particular focus of program is on applied on AI and fields of robotics, medicine and automation technology. But yeah, we will get to know more in course details. And here you can just see the course details is empty. So that's the reason I have already checked. Here there is a requirement and registration page where we can also go to the official website description. So here in the overview and all, we will just do whenever we do the requirement analysis. But for me, the main thing was content and procedure, what you're gonna do or learn in this particular 3 semester degree. So here you can just see the module names. In first semester, whenever you start this course, intelligent and autonomous system, at first semester you will do technology, ethics, statistic, mathematical foundation and machine learning, trends in intelligent systems, data analytics, AI accelerators, and Sprach module. So Sprach module will be generally your German language course. So this is the first semester mandatory course, or the core modules or electives, whichever they have combined, which you will be doing. And in the second semester you will do FWPM. Then in project Arbeit seminar, this will be your second semester, and in third semester it will be generally for Master Arbeit and Master Arbeit seminar. So this is how the course is divided. And when the course is also divided, the first semester or the compulsory subjects are these and elective courses are these. When it is divided, if you want to also get to know more about the courses, there is also a module handbook. So you can also generally check this module handbook where they talk about each course, what you will learn, what are the topics that you will cover, who is the person who is teaching, and if you say he is the person who is teaching, Benedict Mangold, you can also look for his name in IEEE Explorer for the published papers that he has published. For sure, if he's a professor, he would have generally for sure published a paper. You can also check there what is his research area, what are his interests. Then whenever you apply for HEVs, you can apply based on this professor name. Say example, you are interested in statistics and mathematics, you want to work there, then you can reply him and ask him if there is any HEV or if there is any research project available, so that you can work. Like that you can grow your network. So that's the reason I just came inside this particular page of official website to check of course details. And cost and fundings, we already talked about, it is 500 euros, and for non-new people also it is around 500 euros, but if it is varied, then they will tell. Then semester contribution would be 70 euros extra, so this will be an extra top of 500 euros. Then cost of living, usually the cost of living in Nuremberg, they have told up to 700 to 1000 euros. So usually it will vary from 1000 to 1100. I'm being a full-time employer who used to live in Nuremberg. I used to spend also like 1100, but it depends on person to person who is living under that, below that, depending on your lifestyle. But at the first, when you get your student visa for first year, you don't need to worry, because you would have blocked your blocked amount money, and that blocked amount will be divided into 12 parts, and each month you will get your blocked account money. After that, you have to prove either by getting a full-time part-time job or any internship, thesis or anything, so that you can show visa authority that you have a part-time job to provide you or have money for your stay in Germany. Then funding opportunity within the university, there is no any funding opportunities. Then in order to get into this particular course, what are the requirements and registration? This is also not updated in that, because as I told, it is very relatively new that they have added. That's the reason it is not added yet. So that's the reason we have to go again to the course website where they have started. So here you can just see, in order to able to study this master project, international intelligent autonomous system at OM, which is Technical University of Nuremberg, you need to have a relevant technical university degree with 210 ECTS, 7 sem included with practical semester, with programming skill at least 15 ECTS. So you need to have a degree which has a programming skill of 15 ECTS at least. So usually computer science will always directly qualify this, and electrical engineering also, people who have done like say example C in their first semester, maybe in elective they would have taken Python or some other programming language. So microelectronic programming language, embedded C also works good here. You can also apply for this particular course. If you ask me, then I would suggest electronic communication, electronic engineering, computer science, all three people can apply depending upon your interest in this course. Then there is no numerous classes. So there is a numerous class, then it is a NC course. So it is a fixed number of courses. So say example, only 30 seats will be there, then only 30 seats will be filled. There is no extra, because NC Fry is another kind of category where you will have like unlimited seat. People who have fill or get the requirements matched, then everyone will get an admission. Then they say certain amount like 120, 180, above that if it is crossing, then they will take a decision. But NC Fry usually means whoever gets the requirements matched, then they will get an admission. But if it says only NC, then it is fixed seats of 30 seats, so only 30 people will get admission. Then there may be an aptitude test if you get before getting an admission, based on in order to select in between 2 people or 3 people. Then they will also take help of aptitude sets. For people who have passed the aptitude test, then they will also take them on the admission. Then if your English is not your first language, then you need to have a level B2 recordings in application with IELTS, PTE, TOEFL and other things. So usually IELTS will be B2 means 6.5 or 6 and above. So that's the thing. Then you need to have also, if German is your not native language, you need to have at least A1 level of German. But the certificate has to be from Goethe certificate, Australian language diploma, German, TELC or anything. So usually it should be from Goethe or TELC. Okay, these are the requirements or the requirements and application requirements that you need to know in order to apply for this particular course. Then as I told, it will be 15th January and it gonna starts in for some semester 15th 11 is the starting date, as I told, because if it is ending in January 15th, then it should start around 2 months before. So it is starting in November 15th. So yeah. Once we start the application, or when application is started, which will start in 1 month, then we can directly apply in their website. So this is the website that they're using in order to apply for that particular course. So I will show you when the application is open, I will show you how to apply. Then services, usually after getting your admission, then you will also get your student visa. With student visa you can work as a part-time for 240 half days and 120 full days, and now they have increased it to 140 full days and 280 half days. But yeah, with that you can also work in technical jobs like heavy work student, thesis, internship, anything. But if you don't get any technical jobs, then you can also work as non-technical, where you can also work on any restaurants or any other courses, any other jobs. In accommodation, after getting an admission, then I suggest you guys to, with your admission letter, apply for student in dorm or student in ONU. Then you can also get inside college. But if you don't get inside college, then you have to look for private accommodation, say example in VG or other things. Then you will also have your student international committee, where they will also have welcome event, specialist counseling, visa matters and other things. And yeah, if you want to get to know about the college, then you can also search for Technical Institute in Nuremberg and look at the people who have done this course, or who are the alumni, what are the courses, from when the college is open and other things. So yeah, this is the things I just wanted to mention you guys in this particular video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.